So, if I first talk about the classic series, so আমাদের ক্লাসিকের, since this is a limited edition bike for Bangladesh market only, you will not find it anywhere in the world. So people were telling me যে এটা price কি অনেক বেশি হবে কিনা, but we can read the mind of our customers, and for this time only we have kept the same price. For classic series, the entire range will be 4,47,700 taka. The same price we are offering to the market. This is a big gift for our classic lovers of Bangladesh. Now, classic to gel. তারপর meteor loverদের জন্য কি আছে আমাদের surprise. There are something for the meteor lovers as well in terms of pricing. Robiul has already disclosed যে আমাদের meteor-এর জন্য we have got 4 series here. আমাদের একটা হচ্ছে Fireball series, একটা হচ্ছে Stellar, একটা হচ্ছে Aurora, and the last one is Supernova. চারটা সিরিজের আছে। So আমি সিরিজ ওয়াইজ প্রাইসটা আনভেইল করবো for the Bangladeshi biking community. First is the Fireball series. Fireball series we have got 2 colors. One is orange and another is gray. Fireball gray. So for both the colors, our MRP is 4,86,000 taka. But for a limited period of time and for a limited quantity only, we are offering it 4,76,000 taka for the Bangladesh market only. Next is our Stellar series. Stellar series আমাদের দুইটা মডেল আছে. One is matte gray, another is marine blue. For these 2 colors also, our MRP is 4,98,000 taka. But for a limited period of time and for a limited quantity only, we are offering 4,88,000 taka for Bangladesh market. This is a gift for you. Now, তারপর হচ্ছে আমাদের Aurora series. Now, Aurora series এর ক্ষেত্রে there is a if. This is only made to order. If we get pre-booking order, only then we'll provide this in Bangladesh market. But there is a surprise for you. So, এটার ক্ষেত্রেও there is a discount for Bangladesh market. Originally এটার MRP হবে হচ্ছে 5,04,000 টাকা, but for those customers who pre-book it, there will be 90 days lead time also for this. So you will get it at 4,94,000 টাকা, the Aurora series. And the last one, যেটার জন্য সবাই হচ্ছে eagerly wait করতেছে, সেটা হচ্ছে যে আমাদের Supernova. Supernova-তে we have got only one variant, which is Supernova Black. For this also, the MRP is 5,23,000 taka, but for a limited period of time and a limited quantity, we are offering 5,13,000 taka. So I guess, সবাই যে আমাদের একটা ব্রিটিশ বাইকের what price they will be offering in Bangladesh, সবাই eagerly wait করতেছিল. I guess everybody will be happy with this pricing. So Robiul বলে গেল প্রোডাক্টের কথা,